You know, we have a crisis in manufacturing today with our business and industries, and the number one issue for the success of industry is finding and retaining skilled employees. And the GoFame program is an excellent way for companies to grow their own. Companies today, in most cases, the technology is available, the financial resources are available, but if the parking lot is empty on Monday morning, we're out of business.
The candidate is a winner because he or she gets free tuition or paid tuition by the manufacturer. The college is a winner because they have another student that is a paid tuition. The manufacturer is certainly a winner because we're going to get a skilled employee for a specified time period, hopefully for a career. And then the community is a winner because we're furthering the education of the individuals in the community.
And the GoFame program allows companies to identify candidates and let those folks come into their company, and over a 5-semester period come out of that with a degree and the ability to have worked in that business for about 2 years. And so with that program, we are growing our own skilled employees.
We have probably 3 or 4 that are looking to retire in the next couple of years, and we see that and we know that. So in order to prepare TTMA for the future, we have to get the pipeline of students in place with those skill sets so that whenever they leave, we'll be able to plug them in and hopefully not miss a beat.
Castleton Steel participated in this program because we were looking for the opportunity to be able to educate a student to fit our workplace. And when I say fit our workplace, we need someone that had the hands-on training and the academic training. And what this has done, this has allowed them to take the education that they've gotten in the classroom and implement it in the workplace with a common sense approach. Man, the value that this individual student has brought to our company has just been astonishing. You know, I mean, not only can they come in and run a CNC machine, but they can also, you know, communicate with other employees. They have soft skills to deal with the customer. You know, the computer technical side of things, you know, the general ed, all of it coming into one to make a well-rounded employee.
The candidates that we're seeing come through, first of all, from a behavior perspective, are doing a great job, great performance, great attendance, very engaged, and then also very applicable coursework that they're taking along with our skills.
We were intending on just using one candidate and then waiting until he graduated and to see how it worked out, but it's worked out so well, and with some of the new challenges that we face as a manufacturer at filling these positions of skilled people, we decided to go ahead and select another candidate immediately, so we're very excited about it.